This question wants us to sketch the curve of either minus x times cos x. Now, we want to sketch it this time. Just be careful because eventually we want to sketch it between negative pi and pi. So all the values here are going to be between negative pi and pi. So just be careful because it's a different domain we have to work in. Same rules apply though. We have to do first derivative, then the second derivative. Notice this time we've got to use product rule because it's two functions multiplying by each other. Try and factorize and put it back into this form in the first derivative. Makes it a little bit easier to do a derivative using the product rule where what this function is one and cos x plus sin x is another as the second function, and then simplify to get 2e to the x sin x. Now in the second part, for part B, what we need to do is set it equal to 0 because we want to find stationary points. First derivative is equal to 0. So rearrange it to solve to get tan x is equal to minus 1. Now our results here would be 3 pi and 4, which is in the second quadrant, minus pi and 4 is in the fourth quadrant. But you're going back towards negative pi, so it's not 5 pi and 4. We're going to use, 7 pi and 4, we're going to use negative pi and 4. Test them in the first derivative here, and we do see that there is a maximum turning point at the minus pi and 4, and minimum turning point at 3 pi on 4. If you leave these values as a decimal, that is not a problem. Second derivative equals 0 gives us our inflection points, and then we use that to draw our graph of our curve. So see, there's the turning point at pi and 4, and turning point at 3 pi and 4.